Managing soil water using only water content sensors is like shooting an arrow at a target blindfolded. You can't see the target because water content is only an amount. It doesn't tell you if your plants are stressed. Adding soil water potential sensors will help you see the target. Water potential gives you the exact water range where your plants are most comfortable, so you can keep them out of stress or put them into stress, depending on your goal. Want to see how it works? Check out this graph. Data from a water content sensor only tells you how much water is in the soil. A soil water potential sensor tells you when plants become uncomfortable and are going into stress. Combine this information and you know exactly when it's time to water and how much water to add. Eliminate guessing. Combine water content with soil water potential to get exact fill and refill points. Visit our website to learn more.